All right, I wanted to go over a quick issue that I had with my, I believe it's a 2011 Yamaha Drive golf cart. I was having, let's say, a bad battery, so it wouldn't start. Jumped it, would get it to start, all sorts of issues. Eventually determined that the battery wasn't going to take a charge, so I went and replaced the battery. Once I replaced the battery, I'm not sure exactly how this happened, but I'll describe the symptoms and hopefully it helps somebody out there. So essentially, I would get no power to anything when I had the battery hooked up. That included even like the reverse buzzer that typically shouldn't take any power at all to run. So it felt like something just wasn't connected. What I noticed after fooling around a little bit was that if I connected my ground wire, or say ground terminal on the battery to the frame, everything worked. So I messed around with that a little bit and tried to figure out what was going on. And finally I realized after pulling up the wiring schematic that after the starter generator, there is a fuse. After about an hour of trying to find this fuse, trying to search online, I finally found the fuse, and the fuse is located right next to the battery, right here. Pulled that fuse, it was blown, replaced the fuse, and the golf cart worked like new. All right, I hope this helps somebody out there.